Welcome to Reviewsinside, where we break down the details of the latest gadgets to help you make informed choices. Today, we're looking at the Honeywell Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner VC14, a versatile stick vacuum packed with features aimed at making your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. Honeywell promises smart functionality, long-lasting battery life, and specialized accessories that tackle a variety of cleaning tasks. But does it deliver? Let's dive into the specs and see how it performs across the board. The Honeywell VC14 is a cordless, 10-in-1 vacuum that offers intelligent automatic suction adjustment. Equipped with a smart dust sensing system, it monitors the concentration of dust in real time and adjusts suction power accordingly. This means that whether you're cleaning wooden floors, tile gaps, or tackling pet hair on thick carpets, the vacuum automatically optimizes suction to suit the task, without needing you to manually switch modes. It's one of those features that sounds like a small convenience, but in practice, it helps reduce the effort you put into adjusting the vacuum during your cleaning sessions. This vacuum comes with a suite of specialized attachments that cater to almost every cleaning scenario, from the standard floor brush to pet brushes, gap suction heads, and sofa brushes. It's designed to give you flexibility. The easy one-click assembly of these attachments means you're not fumbling with parts when it's time to switch between different surfaces or cleaning jobs. It's a nice touch that speeds up the process, especially when moving from one room to another or from floor to upholstery. Now, let's talk battery life. With 8 3,000 mAh rechargeable battery packs, the Honeywell VC14 can last up to 70 minutes on its lowest power mode, making it an ideal choice for larger homes or apartments. For deeper cleans, it offers 3 power modes: Eco Mode, Mid Mode, and Max Mode, with runtimes of 70 minutes, 25 minutes, and 17 minutes, respectively. These options allow you to adjust power based on your needs, whether you're tidying up dust or tackling a full-on cleaning session. While 70 minutes on a single charge is impressive, you will likely find yourself on max mode when dealing with heavy dirt or pet hair, which will shorten that time significantly. When it comes to filtration, the VC14 features a dual high-efficiency filtration system that promises to trap 99.9% of dust, allergens, and particles as small as 0.3 microns. This is crucial for allergy sufferers or homes with pets, as it ensures that what's sucked up stays inside the vacuum, rather than being released back into the air. The washable front filter captures larger particles, while the rear maintenance-free filter keeps the smaller particles in check, which is excellent for improving air quality in your home. In terms of real-world performance, the VC14 excels in several areas. It handles hard floors with ease, picking up dust, dirt, and even fine crumbs without much effort. Carpeted areas, especially low-pile carpets, are also no challenge, though it's important to note that the vacuum's suction power can be a bit underwhelming when it comes to thick, high-pile carpets. The automatic adjustment helps here, but you may still need to switch to max mode to get the best performance in these areas. When it comes to maneuverability, the VC14 feels lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for quick cleans or even for more intensive whole house sessions. It weighs just enough to make it feel sturdy, but light enough that you won't feel worn out after a 20-minute session. One potential downside is that while the swivel head makes it easy to clean around furniture, the vacuum may feel a bit clumsy in tighter spaces. It's manageable, but it's something to keep in mind if you have a lot of clutter or furniture to work around. The noise levels are reasonable, with the highest setting, max mode, producing a sound that's on par with most cord-free vacuums. It's not silent by any means, but it's not the loudest either, which makes it comfortable for regular use without feeling like you're in a noisy vacuum battle. Included with the vacuum are a range of attachments designed to make your life easier. The pet brush is a standout, effectively lifting embedded hair from furniture and car seats. The gap suction head also performs well in tight spaces, so you won't miss out on the dust hiding in narrow areas. The ability to quickly swap heads means you can adapt your cleaning strategy to different surfaces without having to stop and wrestle with parts. As for the downsides, one area where the VC14 might fall short is its battery life on higher settings. If you have a particularly large home or need maximum suction for deep cleaning tasks, the battery can drain pretty quickly on max mode. This is somewhat expected, but it's worth noting that for people who need a longer runtime without recharging, the VC14 might not quite hit the mark. Additionally, while it works great on hard floors and low-pile carpets, thicker carpets might require some extra effort or longer passes to fully clean. When comparing the Honeywell VC14 to other vacuums in its class, it holds up well against competitors like the Dyson V8 and Shark Ion F80, especially with its intelligent suction adjustment and 10-in-1 functionality. While Dyson's models often come with superior suction power on carpets, the VC14 makes up for it with its unique ability to automatically adjust suction strength, making it a great option for multi-surface homes. In terms of battery life, the VC14 outshines many others in its price range, offering a longer runtime than most cordless vacuums without compromising on performance. Regarding build quality, the VC14 feels solid and well constructed, especially considering its price point. The plastic used in the body doesn't feel flimsy, and the connections between parts are secure. The vacuum is easy to maintain, with filters that are simple to clean and attachments that can be swapped in seconds. However, long-term durability can't be fully assessed just yet, as the model is relatively new to the market. That said, the general build and Honeywell's reputation for reliable products suggest that this vacuum should hold up well with regular care. If you have any concerns with the vacuum, Honeywell's 24-month warranty and 24/7 customer support are worth mentioning. In case something goes wrong, you can count on them for quick and responsive assistance, which is a nice peace of mind for buyers. In terms of value for money, the Honeywell VC14 is a solid investment for anyone who needs a versatile, easy-to-use vacuum. While it may not have the raw suction power of some higher-end models, it offers a good balance of features, including the automatic suction adjustment and a well-rounded range of attachments. Its filtration system and long battery life make it an excellent choice for homes with pets or allergy sufferers. And the ease of use means it's accessible to a wide range of users. While it may not be the best for thick carpets or those seeking the most powerful suction, its performance on most surfaces and user-friendly design make it a worthwhile contender in the mid-range cordless vacuum market. Thanks for watching this review. If you have any questions or experiences with the Honeywell VC14, drop them in the comments below. You can find more information about the product in the comments box. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time on Reviews Inside TV, where cleaning up is always just a click away.